Once upon a time, in a dark and gloomy forest, there lived a big and cruel rat named Rascal. Rascal was always filled with hate and anger towards the other animals in the forest. He would often hurt them, steal their food, and destroy their homes for no reason at all. Rascal didn't know what friendship meant, and he didn't care. One day, Rascal found himself caught in a trap that was set by the other rats in the forest. He was tired, weak and hungry, and he'd been left there for 3 days with no help from the other rats. They all wanted him to die, and they hated him for his cruel ways. On the fourth day, a little yellow bird flew by and saw Rascal trapped in the trap. The bird felt sorry for him and decided to help him. The bird knew that Rascal was not kind and might even hurt him, but the bird still helped him. The bird freed Rascal from the trap, and as soon as he was free, Rascal tried to jump on the bird to eat him. The bird said, "You are free, my friend." And those words touched Rascal's heart. For the first time, Rascal felt a sense of kindness and compassion that he had never known before. He realised that he didn't want to be cruel. And over time, Rascal and the little bird become the best of friends. The bird taught Rascal what love meant, and he showed him what being kind to others was the right thing to do. However, one day the bird fell ill, and no matter how hard Rascal tried, he couldn't save his little yellow friend. Rascal was heartbroken and cried for months. He realised that he had lost the one true friend he had ever had, and it was all his fault. From that day on, Rascal decided to spend the rest of his life being kind to others, just like his little yellow bird friend had taught him. He went around the forest, helping other animals, and he made sure that they were happy and safe. Rascal knew that he could never replace his little yellow bird friend, but he also knew that the best way to honour his memory was to live the life of kindness and compassion. And so Rascal lived out the rest of his days as a kind and loving rat, always remembering the little yellow bird who had taught him the true meaning of friendship and love.